Right, let's take you back to this court story now. The murder trial of Thabo Stanley Leshabane, accused of hiring hitmen to kill his wife, has been postponed to August. This morning, Leshabane appeared before the High Court in Polokwane. It's alleged that he plotted to murder of Mokwena Mabusela Leshabane and her friend Tebogo Mputi. The two were shot dead after viewing business premises in Polokwane in October of 2020. And Slindelo Masikane is in court for us to give us the latest. Slee, can you just tell us why it's been postponed to August?
Well, we understand that there are a number of issues with regards to the availability of one of the lawyers for the accused. Accused number 2, in fact, changed lawyers out of the blue, and that lawyer isn't available for the trial dates that have been set down for this matter. And Stanley Leshabane also indicating to the court that he needs medical attention, saying that he is having difficulty with his heart. And so some discussions took place to the annoyance of the judge, who was quite irritated with the fact that this matter wasn't going to proceed today. As you would understand, once a matter is set down for trial, witnesses are warned and told to appear in court, and there's a lot of logistical matters that have to take place in order for a trial to be set. And so for it to be moved is certainly going to affect the court role as well as court proceedings in terms of other matters. But the lawyers went into discussions and finally agreed on the dates of the 1st to the 19th of August. Of course, this is to the disappointment of the family, and I'm joined once more by Peggy Mafojane. This is the sister of Mokwena, who was shot dead in a hail of bullets with her friend here in Magnavia in Polokwane. Of course, this must be very frustrating for you as well as the family, and I understand, of course, you were going to take the stand today as well.
Yes, it is very disappointing. It was unexpected. We never thought that the trial would be postponed. But as a family, we are strong. We will come back to court, and Stanley and the other 4 accused, they will come back to court, and then they'll come and tell us exactly what has happened. So we are disappointed, but we are strong, and we're saying we will come back. Of course, the other logistics, there's really nothing that we can do about the other logistics. What has unfolded in court, we were here, we could see that the prosecuting team, there's really nothing that they can do, because if somebody's going to come to court and fake acute illness, there's really nothing that they can do, because he has to be fit to stand trial. So we're here, we witnessed everything, and then we are behind the prosecuting team. And as a family, we're saying it's fine. They can come with delaying tactics, but one day they'll come and stand a day in court and just tell us exactly what has happened to our sisters.
I mean, you and your sister Mokwena, I'm sure, are very close. Did you have any information as to what her relationship was like with Stanley?
Yes, they had the challenges in their marriage just like any other couple. And then, but we never suspected that it could end up this way. You know, we thought maybe as a family we could intervene, but it looked like they were facing divorce. So we're not sure exactly what happened, but we are suspecting maybe the husband was threatened by divorce and stuff like that, but we are not sure. But at the very same, on the same breath, we don't know the motive behind the killing, but we can just say things were not so fine in the family, and then we're still busy trying to help them sort out their problems. But we didn't think death was the solution.
Yeah. I had an opportunity to speak to Stanley while he was here in the dock, and he says he's innocent and he did not plot the murder of your sister.
According to us, the way we're seeing Stanley knows the truth. The 4 guys know the truth, because they keep on changing lawyers. And then we can just see in court he's panicking, he's shaking. So he knows the truth. And they wouldn't be behind bars if they were not responsible for the demise of our sisters. So he will see his day in court. And the state has got enough evidence against these 5 guys. And also we know they're implicated in our sister's murder. So we have no doubt. And they'll see their day in court.
All right. Thank you so much. All right, that is Dr. Peggy Mafojana's sister to Makwena, one of the two women who were killed in a hail of bullets here in Polokwane. Of course, the matter now postponed, the trial rather postponed to August, and we understand that the state has at least 40 witnesses that they will be calling, and these range from friends, family, as well as experts who will be giving us details as to how the murder unfolded. But of course, as you've heard from the family, very disappointed at the postponement, but they believe that these guys will have their day in court.